guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's continue our discussion of Master Cadre paper Science that was held in June 2021. So we are done with 3 questions. Now we have to start the fourth one. The fourth one says, which of the following reacts fastest with a mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl? So write down anhydrous, ZnCl2 and HCl. They are known as, this reagent is known as Lucas reagent. And the reactivity of alcohol with Lucas reagent is 3 degree is more reactive than 2 degree, which is further more reactive than 1 degree. Now we have to look out which one is 3 degree in our option. So considering the first one, trimethyl carbinol, let's draw the structure of trimethyl carbinol. Carbinol is nothing, it's having carbon having OH. And trimethyl means there are 3 methyl groups, CH3, CH3, and one more CH3. The next is isopropanol. Iso means OH at the second position. So it will be like this. Now the next is ethanol and propanol. Ethanol is 2 carbons and 1 OH. We can complete the hydrogens. And the last is propanol. Propanol means 3 carbons. And we can complete our hydrogens. Or you can say it is CH3, CH2, OH, right? Now we have to look out which carbon is tertiary, which carbon is secondary, and which carbon is primary. So this OH is attached to this carbon. Over here, this is the carbon. It is the carbon that we have to look out. Over here, this carbon is attached to 3 more alkyl groups. That means this carbon is 3 degree. So mark it as 3 degree. Now this carbon is attached to 2 more carbons. Directly attached to 2 more carbons. So therefore it is 2 degree. Over here, this carbon is directly attached to only 1 carbon. It is 1 degree and 1 degree. As I've already told you, the answer will be in the order 3 degrees more reactive than 2 degree and which is further more reactive than 1 degree. So our answer is option A, because over here the carbon is 3 degree. So our answer is A. Moving to the next one, the question number 5. The structure of the compound that gives tri-bromo derivative on treatment with bromine water. The answer is C, that is metacresol. It is metacresol. This structure is known as metacresol. Metacresol on treatment with bromine water gives you tri-bromo derivative, whereas ortho derivative gives you dibromo. Ortho derivative gives us dibromo, whereas metacresol, that is 3-methylphenol. 3-methylphenol gives us tri-bromo derivative, that is our answer is C. The next question is isopropylbenzene on air oxidation in the presence of a dilute acid is what? So let's write what is isopropyl. Iso means at the second position and propyl means how many carbons? The answer is 3 carbons, right? So 1, 2, and 3. And at the second position, we are having benzene. On air oxidation, that means we are adding oxygen. Oxidation means addition of oxygen in the presence of any dilute acid. dilute HCl could be there? The answer would be phenol. This is phenol. That is C6H5OH. That means our answer is D. And this is very important reaction. You can check in the books of +2, moreover in the BSc. This reaction is there in the preparation of phenols. This reaction is known as aerial oxidation of cumene. This structure is known as cumene. Okay, so the correct answer is option number D. The next one is, the seventh question says, the most suitable reagent for the conversion of primary alcohol to aldehyde with the same number of carbon atoms is what? Let us consider any primary alcohol. So it could be CH3, CH2, OH. Why it is primary? Primary means 1 degree. Why it is primary? Because this carbon is directly attached to only one carbon. So that is why it is primary. The question says we have to convert this primary alcohol into aldehyde. Aldehyde is CH3, CHO. And the carbon number should be same. There are 2 carbons in the reactant and there are 2 carbons in the product. We have to choose the reagent. Which reagent should be there? So the correct answer is PCC. PCC, that is known as pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium. Again, this question is from +2. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Because all the other 3 reagents do the further oxidation and all the remaining 3 will not stop the reaction at aldehyde stage. They will give the acid, but we don't want the acid. What we want in the product is aldehyde. So our correct answer is option number C, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. PCC is the short form of pyridinium chlorochromate.
If you are having any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.